Imagine a world where manufacturing is faster, more efficient, and completely personalized to meet our needs. A world where complex parts for airplanes, cars, or even custom medical implants can be created on demand, right when and where they are needed. This is the exciting future of 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. Over the next decade, we are set to witness a dramatic transformation in this technology, changing not only how products are made, but also reshaping entire industries. In this video, we'll explore the key trends that will drive the future of 3D printing, from technological advancements to the shift towards sustainability and customization. The future of 3D printing key trends explained. The technological advancements and automation of 3D printing is not just for making prototypes anymore. It's becoming a powerful tool across various industries, solving real-world problems and creating complex parts for sectors like aerospace, healthcare, and transportation. This technology will continue to grow as more companies see its potential to produce parts that are difficult or impossible to make using traditional methods. One of the biggest changes will come from automation. By integrating artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, the 3D printing process will become more streamlined and require less human intervention. This means designing parts more efficiently, reducing errors, and speeding up the production process, making 3D printing more user-friendly and accessible. Additionally, new materials are being developed to expand what 3D printers can do. These include materials that are biocompatible for medical use or stronger composites for industrial applications. With these advancements, 3D printers will be able to produce larger and more complex models, which will accelerate their adoption across different industries. The marketing dynamics and industry integration with 3D printing is also set to become a key part of global supply chains. Instead of relying solely on traditional manufacturing methods, which often involve long lead times and high transportation costs, companies can use 3D printing to produce parts closer to where they are needed. This on-demand production reduces dependency on distant factories and enhances supply chain resilience, making businesses more adaptable to changes and disruptions. The technology is moving beyond just creating prototypes. It's being used for full-scale production. As companies realize the speed and customization benefits of 3D printing, they are beginning to use it for actual production parts, not just testing and development. This shift will enable quicker design and production cycles and the ability to offer more tailored solutions to customers. Another major trend is decentralized manufacturing. Instead of having large, centralized factories, companies are starting to produce goods in smaller, localized facilities. This flexibility can improve supply chain efficiency, reduce transportation costs, and allow companies to respond more quickly to changes in demand. Sustainability is another key driver in the evolution of 3D printing. Traditional manufacturing methods often create a lot of waste and use more materials than necessary. In contrast, 3D printing is inherently more sustainable because it builds objects layer by layer, using only the materials required for the final product. This reduces waste, conserves resources, and aligns with global efforts toward greener manufacturing practices. Moreover, the ability to customize products is one of the most exciting aspects of 3D printing. Companies will be able to create unique products tailored to individual customer needs without the high costs associated with traditional mass production methods. This will revolutionize industries like fashion, healthcare, and consumer goods, where personalization is becoming increasingly important. In summary, the future of 3D printing is incredibly promising, with new technologies and approaches set to revolutionize how we create, distribute, and consume products. As 3D printing becomes more advanced, automated, and integrated into various industries, we will see a shift towards more efficient, sustainable, and customizable manufacturing processes. This transformation will open up a world of possibilities, where innovation is limitless, products are more sustainable, and we are empowered to create a future that is both exciting and more in tune with our planet's needs. So get ready to embrace this change as we move toward a new era of manufacturing, one where the only limit is our imagination. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.